the relationship between the height of the key and the key dip and everything, it's mostly focused on the idea that you need the jack to escape and come out. And this one, if I push hard enough on this key, it actually works pretty good. So you want to see a little sliver of light after the jack escapes. You want to see just a little place right there. You see where the jack, focus right here. You'll see where the jack comes out and it comes all the way out. Now, what if you have too much motion? If you have too much motion in the key, like too much key dip, the jack is going to go all the way down and it's going to go all the way back. It's way far back. See how far? It's way out there. That is really too much key dip. And that would be really weird. And see the back check is also cramming up against the back of the hammer. Too much key dip will also drive this back check into the hammer butt and push it towards that, and you'll get checking. The hammer will be crammed into the string.